maybe the biggest sticking point that people have in the beginning. It's like, well, once I buy a loan, what happens next? And really, when you have a loan servicer in place, the transfer emails that I send out to the loan servicer give our loan servicer all that they need to then give your loan servicer everything that they need. Essentially, the loan servicers speak the same language already. They do this 1,000 times a day. You don't really have to go through all of the individual Excel sheets on all of the borrower advances and the flood insurance and whatever else is attached to that loan. It all comes over to your loan servicer, and then they onboard it into a platform that then you can look at, as most loan servicers have this, kind of like their own version of a CRM, where you can see the address and the borrower and the past due amount and any payments that have come in, monthly statements and everything that you can run. That's the first thing. Having a loan servicer in place so that when you buy a loan, you're able to onboard with them quickly and hit the ground running. I think that's probably the first thing that a serious note investor, if you're within 2 weeks or so of buying your first loan, get your loan servicers interviewed, pick one that you want to work with, and then get them set up. That'll make your life a whole lot easier when you actually get the loan onboarded. And then it's a matter of reaching out to the homeowner and getting a deal done. Apart from that, the easy model, which is the homeowner responds, you get a mod or a payoff in place, you get something arranged with them. The next step is to have your attorney set up. And that's why really the takeaway is to build up the team. Have a couple of attorneys that you'll interview and talk to about getting a foreclosure started if necessary. And then you know who you're going to go with. If worst comes to worst, the borrower is not responsive in the first 30 days or so, you're able to send a demand letter out and get the attorney on the loop. So if you have a loan servicer and an attorney in place, this business becomes a lot easier than if you try to do it all yourself. That I would say is that the biggest thing that people need to just know what they don't know. And the fact is, these other counterparties you'd work with, they have that information and they can point you in the right direction.
Nobody is talking about the revolution happening in real estate, where regular investors can earn great profits while helping homeowners that the banks have failed. Join the movement and start your journey into note investing at FIXnotes.com.